Hi, in this video, we'll see how to display customer reviews on product page in WooCommerce, in list layout, and also grid layout and masonry layout. And here, user can also write reviews, share their experiences with uploading images and videos. To do that, first we have to log in into our WordPress admin dashboard, and from plugin, click on that new plugin. Hi, and search here for ProofWP. Hi. I have already installed and activated ProofWP plugin, and after installing and activated that plugin, you can simply see here a menu ProofWP, and let's click on feed and form. Hi, and where we can see how our feed will show in product page. So this is a grid layout. We can add to list, and here another option, masonry layout, where our all will show in masonry layout, and we can show summary, and if I click on here, then it will pop up, and there is a sort option, and we can turn it off and on. There is settings here, and we can add also styles. You can use columns, how many columns you want to show, like this. So there is an options for styles and preview and also form. And we can add settings for these forms. And also make sure to show reviews on product page, we have to click on for WooCommerce settings. We have to go to product and then enable product reviews. Then we can see our reviews on product page, or customer can see our reviews on product pages. So this is how review form work actually. Thanks for watching. Hi.